Okay, if you're like me and you like riding your motorcycle or love riding your motorcycle, this type of weather will not make you too happy.
Looking glass never ever does anything nice and easy. We always do it.
First thing we want to do
nice and rough.
is to take a look underneath the motorcycle and make sure we don't see any leaks from over the winter months. And this is very important because if there's something leaking underneath your bike, it means your engine or your transmission is leaking. So before you take it out on open road, you may want to have to take it into the shop and have them take a look at it. Second, you want to take a look at the condition of all your tires. Take a look at the tread, take a look at your wheels, make sure they are all looking good, and next step is to make sure that you have good air brake in the tires. This nifty little tire gauge that I have not only will tell you the tire pressure, but it has a tool on it to allow you to check the tire depth. Very, very helpful, very, very useful. Now the next important thing you want to check is to make sure that your lights are working. So come around, turn the power on, and you walk around your bike to make sure that all your lights are working. As you can see on my bike, I have a headlight, 2 spotlights, turn signal, and 1 on the fender. These lights are working. As is my tail light. You want to check your turn signals, make sure they're working. Because this is another important feature, it's also a safety feature that allows you to be seen by others while you're on the road, hopefully. And then last, you want to check, make sure your high beams work. On this particular motorcycle, turn the high beams on, the spotlights turn off, and just the center light comes on, stays on. Come back, turn high beams off, check your horn, horn works. Make sure that all of our gauges are on and working properly. And gone from our streets and roads. Because one thing motorcycle riders love is being out on open road, and this does not allow us to be out on open road. So, for you motorcycle riders, or those who think about being a motorcycle rider, those are some quick down and dirty safety tips to help you get ready for your ride when the weather breaks and the roads are clear. Be safe, enjoy the ride, and happy motorcycling.